Come on now. Sheesh. Yo, this man got me looking. Y'all already know what it is, man. You know we had to get dolled up one time, you feel me, to start the video, okay? Sheesh. Anyways, Jordan 1 Court Purples, alright, man? From the title of this video, you probably know what's going down. We turning these bad boys into some suede kicks. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is one of my favorite Jordan 1 colorways of all time. I love these shoes, for real, for real. But, I seen a photo on the gram and someone turned their Jordan 1s into some suede shoes and I was like, I ain't never seen this done before in person. I ain't never tried it before, so if I ruin these shoes, I'm gonna be hella sad, but it is what it is. Anyways though, we gonna go to the store and go pick up a few materials. We gonna need some rubbing alcohol and some sandpaper, alright? So, yeah. But first, let's go now.
Rubbing alcohol?
Yeah.
I think we're completely sold out of any rubbing alcohol right
No
now.
way.
Oh yeah.
And as y'all can see, we did the suede on the outside and leather in the inside. As for the other shoe, leather on the outside, suede in the inside. So y'all know the motto, man, cause if the kicks match, they ain't right, okay? And cause I know y'all ain't never seen a man with half suede and half leather kicks before. This was a pretty simple process. If I can do it, I'm pretty sure any of y'all could do it. And I also want to say thank y'all. We made it past 150 subscribers, so shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all follow the Instagram at AaronT3 to enter all future giveaways. We're gonna be giving away lots of sneakers, so stay tuned for all of that. Anyways, thank y'all for watching the video and peace out.